How to install Amazon Prime Video application in Google Play Store. First of all, you have to launch your Google Play Store in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're here, tap on the search icon from the bottom right corner, then tap on the search bar at the top. And in the search bar, search for Amazon Prime Video. There you can see Prime Video, tap on it to view all the information regarding the application. So you can scroll down and view all the information, ratings and reviews of the application. Once you're done, you will have install button. Since I have already installed it, I have open, but in your case you will find install button. Tap on install, then depending upon your internet connection and your device, it might take some time to install the application. Once the installation is complete, you can tap to open the application and you can watch videos on Amazon Prime. That's all for this video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.